plea for the severest penalty upon his conviction for sedition by Mahatma Gandhi. Sedition means the use of words or actions to encourage people to do out against someone. This essay deals with the trial of Gandhi. Gandhi was arrested and charged with sedition, that is, discontent towards lawful authority, for 3 of his articles in his magazine called as Young India. At the end of the trial, Gandhi was asked to make a statement before receiving the sentence. Gandhi said that it was fair on the part of the Advocate General for the statements that he made. He also said that expressing dissatisfaction with the British government has become a passion for him. Gandhi was not afraid of the British government, therefore he accepted the blame for the occurrences in Bombay, Madras and Chauri Chaura in Uttar Pradesh. Gandhi believed in the principles of non-violence and truth. He felt that non-violence would lead to social and political change. He did not want to submit to a system that had done irreparable harm to India. So when he expressed truth in his magazine, it caused fury among the Indian people. This encouraged them to protest against the British government. Therefore, he pleaded the judge to give him the highest penalty for his crime of sedition. He further requested the judge to either resign from the post or to inflict him the severest penalty. If the judge believed that Gandhi had done nothing wrong protecting against the British government, he would not punish him but resign from his post. If the judge believed that the ruler was good administrator and that Gandhi had committed a crime of sedition, the judge would have to give the severest penalty. When Gandhi reads this statement, he exposes the British government and proves that he is a patriotic person who loves his country and will go to any extent to save his country from the exploiter. Now let us understand what led Gandhi to conclude that the administration of law was prostituted in the interest of exploiters. When Gandhi went first to South Africa, he faced racial discrimination. He realized that as an Indian, he had no right. He had cooperated with the British government on several occasions, such as conflict between the Britishers and the Africans, as he believed at that time British system was good. He thought that by supporting British, he would gain equality in the empire for his countrymen. But however, the first shock was in the form of Rowlatt Act, which was passed in the year 1919, which allowed Olive to arrest and imprison any Indian without any warrant or trial. This act robbed the Indian people of their freedom. Similarly, the Jallianwala Bagh episode was the shocking incident where a group of Indians who had assembled near Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar, was shot dead by the British troop under the order of General Dyer. Such incidents shattered the hope of India. Gandhi realized that British had made Indians poor and helpless politically as well as economically. The British government was actually exploiting Indian people. The law only served the foreign exploiters. In fact, many of the Indians who were condemned by the British government were actually innocent. They were punished because they loved their country and they fought for their freedom. Thus, the British government gained more and more power while the Indians were denied power to retaliate. Gandhi was happy that he was charged under Section 124A. This section was actually designed to suppress liberty of citizen. He was charged with sedition. He believed that if a person has the right to express affection for a person or a system, he also has a right to express disaffection so long as he does not intend to promote violence. But the British government believed that the disaffection expressed towards British system was as if like the government that did the most harm to India than any other previous system. And secondly, in my opinion, non-cooperation with evil is a duty as cooperation with good. In fact, Gandhi believed that by showing non-cooperation, he had rendered services to India. Non-violence implied voluntary submission to penalty for non-cooperation with evil. He believes that if it is our duty to cooperate with good, it is also our duty to not cooperate with the evil. Only open to the judge was either to resign from his post or to disassociate from evil and prove that Gandhi was innocent, or to inflict severest penalty if he believes that British government was good for India. In this way, he would have to prove that Gandhi had committed a crime. In conclusion, we can say that Gandhi was true lover of India. He had exposed British government and their intention and fought for the freedom of India. Likely questions. First, affection cannot be manufactured or regulated by law. Explain. Second, in my humble opinion, non-cooperation with evil is as much as a duty as in cooperation with good. Explain. Third, what caused Gandhi to not ask for mercy for committing the crime of sedition? Explain. Fourth, the first shock came in the shape of Rowlatt Act, a law designed to rob people of all real freedom. And last, what led Gandhi to conclude that the administration of law was prostituted in the interest of the exploiters?